Good morning, guys. Oh my gosh. Today, I'm going to the city with Courtney, and she's coming to my house now to pick me up. I'm not wearing this. I haven't changed yet because she's actually letting me borrow her shorts. We're going to Brandy Melville and then going to other shops around Soho and like taking pictures and stuff, and it's gonna be really fun. I'm so excited. It's finally summer. Yeah, I'm gonna charge my battery now before we leave. Courtney's here! This is what we're wearing. We have to go fast, but I'm wearing Courtney's shorts from Garage. And my shirt from Garage too. What about you, Court?
So these shorts, I honestly have no idea where they're from. My cousin gave them to me, she got them a while ago, but the shirt is from Urban Outfitters. I gotta take my hair down. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no, look. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Okay.
Uh-oh. I think I'm leaving my hair down. Okay. Okay, so first, I got this. It's like an oversized sweatshirt from Brandy. And I got these little moon earrings. You can't see them, but they're tiny and I want to put them when I get my second home pierced, but gotta wait for that. Then, this shirt kind of like...
That's a skirt, not a shirt.
Sorry. I unbuckled it, but it's like a rat scare. It like wraps around like that. And yeah.
Very cute.
Next, it's like that. It's a shirt. I got it for my sister, but I'll just show it anyway. I'm probably gonna end up wearing it.
That's so cute.
And well, I don't know why I'm showing what my sister got, but like this is just
She's not even with us.
Yeah, she's not.
And what a good sister you are.
I didn't actually get it in my laundry, so I'm not a good sister. I got a Lululemon sports bra. And it has like a little cutout here. You can't see it. Oh no, I'm like bad.
Wait, do here. There's the cutout.
And like there's also one right here.
Okay, so we actually went to two different Brandy Melvilles.
Oh wow.
Whoa, it's a helicopter. Look how close. It's landing. Oh my gosh. Look at it. You can see the little propellers.
The clippers moving.
Propellers.
Sorry, not clippers, my bad. Okay, we done?
Done with what?
Recording.
We're in traffic.
We're stuck in. It's not good because we got a place to be.
We made it!
Oh.
Hey guys, it's now the next... Oh my god, there's something in my eye. And I wanted to pack for my trip. I am leaving on Sunday to go to New Hampshire for a week. And I'm really excited. So I'm gonna take you guys along and pack. And I've decided that this vlog is gonna be more like a week in my life in summer because I didn't get enough footage in the city with Courtney to make it one full vlog. So yeah, we're gonna make this into like a week thing, even though it's kind of only a few days, but that's okay. So I'm gonna pack now. It is Friday and I still haven't packed, so yeah, I'm gonna do that now. Okay, so I did pick out some clothes that I'm gonna be bringing, or actually most all my clothes. So I'll just show you guys what I'm packing. Okay, so for bottoms, I am shopping in like 2 hours, like an hour, with Julia and Lucy to get more shorts and like more bottoms for this trip and just like for summer because I literally have no shorts. So I'm gonna vlog that a little later, but for now I'm bringing leggings because if we're like walking in the town or something and it's a little cold, then I'll wear those. Then I'm bringing these shorts. They're just from Charlotte Russe. And those are like the only shorts that are like normal shorts, you know, not like fun shorts, if you know what I mean, that fit me. My others are like all too tight, so. And then I'm also, oh my gosh, there's no like good way to show this, but bending that so looks so awkward. But I'm also bringing these shorts. They're just like from Princess Polly, and I am doing a little haul like in like a week or two, like a midsummer try-on haul with the stuff that I got, because I did get stuff from Brandy and Princess Polly that I want to show you guys. So okay, so that's it for like bottoms for now. Moving on to tops. Oh, actually I do have shorts. One more pair I'm bringing. These flowy shorts from Aeropostale. I kind of made a little outfit with these shorts. I have this top, this tube top from Garage going in there. Then I have this tank from PacSun, just this navy button up little lacy tank top. And then I also have the same one but in burgundy. Next I have this top from Forever 21. Then I have this top, this halter top that I made. I'm not really sure where the original tank top I made it out of is from, because it was a hand-me-down. Then I am bringing this Forever 21 off the shoulder top. Oh my gosh. And then I have this little t-shirt from Charlotte Russe, just a little simple cash tee. Then I have this shirt that I also made, and the original tank top is from Forever 21. Then I'm also bringing some other stuff that I got from Brandy, but I'm not going to show you guys until I do the haul. For PJs, I'm just bringing these little shorts. Where are they even from? I don't even know, it just says Ambience. They're hand-me-down, so who knows where they're from. These shorts from Forever 21. And since it's going to be like raining and it's probably going to be cold at night, I'm bringing these PJ pants, these sweatpants from, what is it called? Box Lunch. Then I'm bringing these sweats from Hollister. What the heck? Then for shirts, I'm just bringing this tie-dye top that I made, this little gray tee, and then lastly I'm bringing this shirt, my Miranda shirt, that I got at the Miranda show. Okay, now dresses. I should bring dresses. I'll pack dresses in a second, but before we do that, I'll just show you guys the bathing suits I'm bringing. So I'm bringing this top from Zaful. That's what's from Zaful. And to match that top, I'm bringing these bottoms, and these are from Aeropostale. Then I'm bringing this top from Zaful and pairing it with these bottoms from Hollister. And also I'm going to be bringing this top to go with the black bottoms, because I don't know, I'll just bring this top too because I don't have that many bottoms. And then I'm also bringing this cute little top from Zaful and pairing them with these bottoms from Hollister. And these bottoms can go with like the red top or this like green top too. Oh, by the way, this is from PacSun, but I guess I'll just like mix and match. Okay, I found some more stuff I'm gonna pack. So honestly, this is probably so boring, so sorry guys, but I kind of like watching these videos. But I'm just gonna be bringing this little Forever 21 dress thingy cover up, just as a cover for my bathing suit. And then this Hershey Park sweatshirt. There's no room in my suitcase. I have too much stuff. Then I have this cute little dress from Forever 21. It's supposed to rain over there, so I'm also gonna bring this little rain sweatshirt coat thing. And this little zip-up hoodie, zip-up sweatshirt for when it's chilly, and it's like cropped and cute, and it's from Aeropostale. Oh, and my raincoat is from Columbia Sportswear Company. Okay, I might need to use my sister's duffel because this is too small. Because I am going for a lot of days, I need this stuff, right? I have so much more stuff to pack. I have to pack like scrunchies, makeup, hair stuff, face stuff. bracelets, jewelry. Oh, I just bought a pair of shorts this morning with my mom from TJ Maxx. I'm gonna be bringing these. They're just like, I don't know, plain white shorts. I think after I get my shorts tonight, I'm gonna like make outfits. Why did I just do a low? I'm gonna make outfits and then pack scrunchies that matches those outfits because I can't bring my whole scrunchie collection. I'll see you guys when I'm with Julia. Packs. Twinning. Lucy.
Oh no, it's stuck to the paper. I'm gonna try it on. I actually kind of love this. It reminds me of Scooby-Doo. I feel like Daphne.
Okay, Hannah's YouTube. Do I get Queen, The Works, We Will Rock You, or Rami Malek?
Julia.
It's also $22.90.
I think we should get some wigs and do some TikTok cosplay.
Bye.
Lucy's wearing Julia's 12-year-old bathing suit.
Lucy's butt.
Stop.
For Grand Street in Williamsburg.
How do I focus? There we go. Hi everyone. Hannah's changing, I think, and so Julia into like some PJs. Neither of them. Hannah does not know that I am using this, so like, well, sorry. Hi Hannah. Hope this is a fun surprise. So, oh, Julia. Oh, I figured out how to zoom. Oh, cool. Like zoom in to like my nose or something. Maybe not my nose, maybe like my eye. Like get an artsy eye pic in there. Focus. Okay, that's as far as it will go. So that's my eye. So how are y'all doing? I really hope y'all are doing well. Oh my god, wait, Julia has a pillow pet like over there. It's awesome. Oh, and there's Julia. I was talking about how there's a pillow pet right there. Nice. Bye, Julia.
Hi, Joe. Wait, did they see my eco-friendly cup that I painted myself?
We're gonna go home now. Can I have vanilla soft serve in a cup with rainbow sprinkles, please?
And a large vanilla soft serve with cherry dip in a cup.
Hey guys, so it is really late now. It's almost 1 a.m. I'm pretty tired, but I think I've said a few times, but I'm leaving early Sunday morning at like 6 a.m., 7 a.m. to go to New Hampshire. So I really don't have much time to pack because it's Friday night, 1 a.m. Tomorrow's Saturday, and that's technically tomorrow. And tomorrow I do have to most of the day. Actually, yeah, I really do have most of the day, but I kind of want to do some stuff now because the nighttime is when I thrive. I'm a night owl. It's when I get most of my things done. I want to make the outfits like I said I was going to earlier, like match my clothes to make outfits so I can pick out my scrunchies. So I'm gonna do that now. So these are the outfits I picked out. There's an outfit right over there that I got today. I don't really want to show you guys until I do the haul. I was wearing this shirt today. My Lululemon leggings right here. Then I have an outfit over there that I also don't want to show yet because I want to wait for the haul. This shirt that I can double up. Like these shorts with, I can wear these multiple days, and same with this shirt, I'll probably wear with these shorts. Let's pick out scrunchies. Okay, so I'll just show you real quick the scrunchies that I'm bringing. So I'm bringing this red one to match this red shirt. Then I have this green scrunchie to match this green shirt. This pinkish one to match like the pink in the shirt. This navy one to match the navy in these shorts. This mustard one to match the mustard top. This white one to match this. And I could have sworn like a light pink came in the scrunchie pack, but honestly I probably lost it, or like my puppy like chewed it up or like hid it or something, because she loves getting my scrunchies. So I'll bring this, and then it also matches one of my other outfits. And then I'm also bringing this scrunchie to match one of my other outfits. Just gonna pack a little more. I feel so dead. Good night.
Wasn't Nora invited?
Mom, you ruined it.
What? Wasn't Nora?
Mom, you can't talk right now.
Why?
I have like little stars, but they kind of don't fit over my ears. It's kind of hard to get them on.
They don't fit over your ears.
No, yeah, it's like, yeah.
Why?
Like, I mean, no, really. I can
Whoa.
I'll just have my eyes open.
So does everyone.
No, I'm saying I laugh like this.
Nobody laughs like this.
No, yes I do. I'm supposed to. I laugh like this. I should laugh like this. Yeah, keep going.
Yeah.
Lucy.
I don't think I know it. Let me just look at the name. I'll know the name when I
That's like something Grace did. Lucy.
Yes.
Echo friendly.